If your shower is leaking and you have a mixer tap, it's probably the cartridge which needs to be replaced. We're going to show you how simple and easy this is to do. The tools that you're going to need for this DIY is a pair of water pump pliers and a flat screwdriver or an Allen key. The first thing you need to do is turn off your mains water supply. The next step, once you've turned the water off, is to open your tap and release the excess water in the system. Now the leak is probably coming from the cartridge inside the mixer. Now we need to get inside this mixer to replace this cartridge. What you need to do first is remove the little cover on the underside of the handle. Just pop that off with a screwdriver, and then from the underside there is a small grub screw which will use a flat screwdriver or an Allen key. Once you've got the grub screw off, give the handle a shake and pull that handle right off. The next is the cover. Place your water pump pliers over the edge of the nut and gently turn it in the anti-clockwise direction. You will see a little bit of excess water coming out. That's just the water in the pipe, don't worry about it. Completely remove that nut. And there's your cartridge. Now there are a number of different types of cartridges available, so take this cartridge down to your local builder's outlet and they will match it up with a replacement. Here's my new cartridge for my mixer. Now you'll see there's two locating pins at the top here. Make sure they line up into your mixer. Make sure the inside face is smooth and clear of any debris. You'll feel it as you twist it, it will drop down. And then replace the retaining nut to hold that cartridge into place. I like to put a little bit of Vaseline on the threads to make it easier to undo next time. When replacing your retainer nut, be very careful you do not cross thread those threads. Wind it back and forth so it should easily screw itself in. You can do the final tightening with the water pump pliers. Replace the cover, pop on your handle and tighten the grub screw. Replace your coloured cap. Once you've turned your mains on and you open your tap, you'll notice a lot of coughing and spluttering. Don't worry, that's just removing the air out of the system. There you go, the leak has stopped, this DIY is complete, and that really was as simple as 1, 2, 3. If you enjoyed this clip, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel. There's a range of DIYs and how-tos just like this for you to check out, but more importantly, get to Builders and get it done.